Hi everybody, today I want to show how to disable alarm activation on adverse fire alarm system. Now I will activate one smoke sensor. Now we have activation alarm point. You will press alarm, then you must press details and you will see address. This is first one, panel address, second card number, and last is device address. Again menu, disable, first one device, then address, the second card and first address, then press enter. You see it's disabled now, and that's all. And if you want to activate again, you must press command menus, then enable, then device again, and address, second card and address one. Now it showed its activation. If any problem, you will activate, then you can press reset, because when you disable it, it was on activation, that's why. And that's all.